Hey girls, Anita from Sequins and Sand here. How are you? I just got these in and had to tell you straight away. New drawstring dresses from Bracewell, striped navy and in organic cotton. The fabric is Australian and it's made here in Australia as well. Narrower fit, so good for my shape. I have a slight hourglass shape, but I'm not very tall. And I have very quite narrow shoulders, so I love that this is a high neck on me, and it comes in sizes medium through to triple XL. Double XL is about a 16, triple XL is an 18, but I'm a medium in this because I just find I need a little bit more room to move it. I'm normally a 10 to 12, so it's a narrow fit. But get a load of these details, right? This is what Hayley's signature is all about. Raw edges with a little roll because they're raw, just stunning. Just something a little bit different, you know, that you don't get every day. And we've got the hemline is a little high-low, really cute at the back. And then this is hence why it's called the drawstring dress, because the drawstring goes up probably about 30 centimeters. You can draw it up, make it shorter, and tie it off beautifully. Again, with the contrasting white, it's just a really nice detail. So that's the drawstring dress, new in from Bracewell, and it's online now. Thanks, girls. Bye.